23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Good evening, I'm Jessica Harrington. Here's what's making headlines around Kern County. We begin with a look at our COVID case numbers. Today marked another 1,200 new cases of COVID-19 for our community. This brings the total number of infections to more than 72,000 since the pandemic started. Now, when it comes to deaths, Kern County Public Health says 6 more people lost their lives to COVID. We've now lost 518 people in our county. Roughly 20,000 people, though, have recovered from COVID-19. A hearing for the lawsuit filed on behalf of nearly 36 local restaurants against the governor is headed to a courtroom this week. The restaurants are calling his ban on in-person dining unconstitutional. The attorney representing the restaurants says 4 doctors will give their opinions on how the state ignored CDC findings that outdoor dining carries only a moderate risk. The hearing is scheduled for Wednesday at 9 a.m. Many people have already received this round of stimulus payments to their bank account, but there's still many more checks to be sent. The IRS estimates there will be 113 million payments made through direct deposit and 34 million sent by mail. These could come in the form of a paper check or a prepaid debit card. Now, many people thought the debit cards were fake during the last round of stimulus payments, so make sure you're paying close attention while also being wary of scams. Remember, the payments are dependent on how much money you made on your last tax return. Most Americans will get $600.
And we were tracking the potential for some rain here in Kern County. That does not look like the case anymore. We take a look at satellite and radar. Most of that rain is just going to be to our north, not going to push this far south. We are seeing an increase in our cloud cover, but that's about all we're going to see with this round of rain that we're currently tracking. Behind a cold front will be a little bit colder tomorrow. Still no rain in the forecast, though. 58 the high temperature in Bakersfield, 61 at Jawbone Canyon. Taking a look at the 7-day forecast, maybe a chance of rain on Friday. It's really not looking all that good, though. A little bit better chance for some rain in our mountain communities, but overall, just kind of a cool and calm forecast.
That's your latest news and weather update. For the latest news anytime, be sure to head to our website, turn to23.com.